Hi everyone, and welcome to Rapid Immersion, where we discuss questions and topic areas within your digital marketing ecosystem. This week, 5 of our favorite free and lesser known SEO tools. If you've looked for SEO tools online, you'll know that there are a lot out there. And like anything else online, there's the good, the bad, the ugly, and everything in between. So for today, we've picked out 5 tools that will hopefully help you in your SEO and online marketing challenges, selected because they're each practical, they function well, and they cost nothing to play around with. Now beyond these 5, you'll also find links to some of the best SEO tools and lists online for your further exploration. So tool number 1, Feed the Bot at feedthebot.com. More than a single tool, this is really a suite that offers a variety of SEO checks that you would typically expect from a paid or a premium offering, and in many cases does it just as well or better. So to get started, you enter the URL you'd like to test, click go, and away it does its thing. About 10 seconds later, you'll receive a checklist report of SEO items you can start looking through. Interspersed with these applications, you'll also find straight-to-the-point guides for adopting a successful SEO mindset. These guides emphasize improving your website's value proposition, encouraging you to ask questions like, how can I make my website a point of competitive differentiation for my brand? Or how can I help create a resource that Google and other search engines will want to rank, which is the right way to be thinking about modern SEO. Okay, tool number 2, Answer the Public, answerthepublic.com. I really like this one, but first, a quick thanks to Kelvin Newman for bringing this to my attention on the Internet Marketing Podcast by Site Visibility. This is one of the easiest and most effective ways to uncover the questions people are asking in Google. Simply input a keyword relating to your products or services, select a Google property like AU, US, UK, France, and then click the Get Questions button. AnswerThePublic.com will then create tables and diagrams of questions around your keyword imported from the Google search suggestions. Now, if you've used a tool like Ubersuggest before, this is quite similar. It's just really focused around the questions aspect, which is particularly handy if you're planning a content marketing strategy. Okay, tool number 3, SiteLiner at siteliner.com. SiteLiner is one of the fastest ways to find duplicate content within your website. Starting at whichever URL you provide it, SiteLiner will crawl each page and flag any potential duplicate content issues, highlighting the text it's found while intelligently excluding items like menus and navigation. When it's done, you can inspect URLs case by case within the SiteLiner browser and download a summary PDF or CSV file. Item 4, NerdyData at nerdydata.com. NerdyData is a search engine for code elements, which makes it a brilliant tool for finding implementations of specialty markup in the wild. Unlike the traditional search engine, which is focused on the content of a web page, NerdyData digs into the HTML, the CSS, and the JavaScript, trolling for matches to what you're looking for. We find what other search engines can't, is their tagline, and it really does. A practical example of when NerdyData has come in handy for us was when we were inspecting the implementation of hreflang tags. We wanted to find a variety of examples in the wild, and with this tool we're able to do so in just a minute or so. So item 5, Mention Map, mentionmap.com. Technically, this is a bit more of a social tool, but I want to include it here as understanding who your social media influencers are should be part of your SEO strategy. Now with this tool, you can input a Twitter handle, such as a person or a company, and using the Twitter API, the tool will create clickable mention maps based on the connections and hashtags used. You'll be able to see the social circles of the profile in question, which could be really useful for things like finding journalists or bloggers, or even just seeing who your competitors are conversing with online. Well, that about wraps us up for now. I hope you enjoy these tools and are able to get something useful out of each. If you have any additional SEO tool suggestions you'd like us to take a look at, please do feel free to share them in the comments. All the very best. Have a nice day. Thanks.